Hey, Adrian from Enlightened Stock Trading here. Let me ask you a question. Where do you get your trading ideas from? Now, if you've been following my journey over the last couple of months, it's months now. We've been away, I don't know, how many weeks have we been away, Ariel?
I think 10 or 11.
Coming up to 10 weeks or something like that, we've been away. And I'm trying to do videos on the road to help you with your trading. Now, so the question, where do you get your trading ideas from? I just want to kind of prompt you or challenge you to think about that, because what are we doing each time when we stop in our different locations, the different places we're visiting? What do I always ask you?
Okay, how can I link this to trading?
How can I link this to trading? That's right. And so we just did. Where are we now?
Petrified Forest.
We're in the Petrified Forest. And so you just might have seen my last video where I was talking about catastrophic events and drawing a link between the Petrified Forest, how they were formed, and what that means for you as a trader. Now, for me, in my education mode, in my coach trading mentor mode, this sort of travel is really important. There's Quinn, he's saying hello. This sort of stimulus is really important or really valuable, because we walk around and it gives me all of these different ideas for how to share lessons with you about how to make your trading better. And look, I really want to challenge you, because when you're going about your daily life, the same thing applies to you. When you're walking through the city going to work, when you're having interactions with people, when you're just going about your daily life and you come across interesting things that stimulate your thinking, think to yourself, what is the trading lesson for me in this situation? Now, it doesn't have to be a trading situation, right? Hey, there's some cool stuff back there. I'm going to go look at that. They're excavating the Petrified Forest, trying to find more petrified trees. But what I want you to do is think about, what is the trading lesson for me right now in this moment, even if you're not even thinking about trading. Because I got to tell you, some of my best trading system ideas, some of my biggest realizations have come when I'm doing nothing to do with trading. So you may not be trading in this moment, but you are a trader, and you're a trader, which means in your life you come up with ideas to help you profit from the market. And that personality, what do we call it? What do we call it when someone, the persona that you take on, that's what I'm looking for. The persona that you take on, that badge that you wear of being a trader, means that you can draw lessons from your life that help you with your trading. And I've been sitting in forests, in the giant redwoods, in the Grand Canyon, all of these things, and I get back to the van, the RV that we're traveling in, and write down all of these trading system ideas that I can develop. Now, if you're not doing that, it's time to start, because your best ideas, your best creativity will not come when you're sitting in front of the computer staring at charts. Your best ideas always come when you're in a different environment. So that's the trading lesson for me for today, is to remember to keep capturing my ideas, to keep asking myself that question. What is the trading lesson for me in this moment? And you should do the same thing. Comment below, let me know what trading realizations you've had when you're out and about, when you're not sitting in front of the chart staring at the screen, because sharing those lessons with other traders is one of the most powerful things that you can do. And I bet you that your best trading idea is yet to come, and it won't come when you're sitting in front of the computer. It'll come when you're out doing something totally different that stimulates your creativity. And I'm going to go find some more stimulation. So I'm going to go look at the rest of the Petrified Forest. I'll see you in the next video. Comment below, let me know what your best trading idea was. When did it come to you? And I bet you it wasn't when you were in front of the computer. My name's Adrian Reed. This is Enlightened Stock Trading. You need to get out and about and stimulate your brain with something new and different so you can come up with your best trading idea. See you in the next video. Bye for now.